Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a free virtual credit card for free trials. But before we start, hurry up and check out our latest offer just under this video. So let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you get virtual credit cards for free trials? Well, it's actually pretty easy. We'll be using the following platform, which is going to be Free VCC Online. Now, from their website, what we need to do is we need to sign up. Typically at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on Sign Up. From here, it's going to redirect you to the Sign Up page. Once you click Register here, you'll just need to provide your full name, your username, your email address, your password, and the confirmation of your password. Also, it is recommended that you read their Terms of Service and Privacy Policy here. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on Sign Up. Now, once you've signed up, this is the first thing that you'll see on your screen. As you can see, there's going to be my card there, my name, and the validity of that card. I can even change the card system that I want to use here. For example, I want to use Visa, American Express, JCB, or Discover. In this case, once you've chosen that, the number itself will be changed. Now, also, if you want to freeze your card, block your card, or reveal the CVV, which is located at the bottom right, you should be able to do that by pressing the following buttons here. Now, in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video. Let me know if you need more edits or assistance.